Guide for Norman Keys website on PC. 1. Enter the website register/login account. 2. Click on the car maker to browse by car brand. For example, if you need a BMW remote key, click on the car makers, select BMW, and select car remote sub-factory on the left side of the page to search accurately. If you need a BMW original key, select original remotes. If you need a BMW key shell, select remote shell. For example, if you need a Toyota remote key, click on the car makers, select Toyota, and select car remote sub-factory on the left side of the page to search accurately. If you need a Toyota original key, select original remotes. If you need a Toyota key shell, select remote shell. Three. Click on the categories to browse by product TPIs. For example, if you need a universal key for model, click on the categories, select universal remotes and select model on the left side of the page to search accurately. If you need a universal key from X-Force, select X-Force VVDI. If you need a universal key from KeyD, select Key DIY. Four. Search product keywords directly in the website search bar. For example, if you need a Volkswagen key shell, enter VW key shell in the search bar and click to search.